Hi, I'm Ali, and in today's video I thought I would share with you some great facial exercises for the cheek area, lower part of the face, to really help reduce those fine lines and wrinkles. We're going to do some great massage exercises and lymphatic drainage, so we can also release toxins and waste which can build up in this area to also help with glowing skin. I'm Ali. I've been a facialist for the last 7 years, and I'm really passionate to really help you with your face yoga, facial massage techniques to really help improve the skin. Now, first things first, I like to start off with a little bit of facial oil, and I'm going to apply it to some clean skin, just so we've got a slip and glide, so you're not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling at it. It's just rubbing it into the fingers first, and just gently apply lower part of the face, side of the ears, and the side of the neck. So what we're going to do first, we're going to start with a little bit of gentle facial tapping, and I'm working in an up motion, if you like, from the jawline towards the cheekbone. And what we're doing here, we're really helping with blood flow and circulation to the area. And then where our collarbone is, I'm just going to give that a few gentle presses just above. And then with the flat of the hand, because we have more surface area, I'm going to take the fingers and the hand, lift up towards the jawline, come across, and place my fingers in front and behind the ear, and just gently glide down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And let's do this 5 times. This is a light, feather-light touch. And what we're doing here, again, we're really getting the lymphatics going. We have plenty of lymph nodes along the jawline and in front and behind the ear. And then on the other side, flat of the hand towards the jawline, fingers in front and behind the ear, down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And we're doing this 5 times. And one last time. So now let's do a great exercise for the cheek area. So I'm placing my hand onto my lips, and we're going to puff the cheek out one way and do some gentle tapping, and then the other. And release, and then on the other side. And release. Right, so let's do another great mouth exercise and to really help with those cheeks. So we're going to take our lips, we're going to close them, and we're going to move our mouth in a circular motion one way and then the other. And then the other way. And then taking the fingers, let's just massage it all out. Lifting up from the jawline towards the cheekbone, the nose, and along the cheekbone area. And whatever product you placed onto your skin, be it facial oil, is going to penetrate in even better and deeper and will really help with those fine lines and wrinkles. And then just gently glide. So now we're going to do a little bit of an exercise here. So I'm going to place my hand onto my chin, and we're just going to gently lift up with the face, with the neck, if shoulders nice and relaxed. I'm just gently going to kiss the ceiling 5 times. So just gently lifting up, coming down, and you want to add a little bit of resistance to the finger, and then come along the other angle, just to the other side of the shoulder, lift up, slight tilt, and kiss the ceiling 5 times. Come down and then all the way along. Lift up, come down, and relax. So now taking the fingers here, I'm just very gently gliding in an outwards motion with the fingers, nice slight massage in a round circular motion towards the ears, along the jawline. And I'm placing my fingers as an anchor so we're not dragging and pulling at the skin. And then working our way slightly up. Now, I'm in my mid-50s, so as you get older, you start to lose collagen and elastin within the skin. So by doing these massage exercises, you're really going to help improve that. Going round circular motions. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to do another exercise, well, another massage, but within the mouth. So we're going to take our tongue in the mouth, obviously, and again, we're going to go in a round circular motion around the cheek area on one side. And then go round in another direction. And then on the other side of the mouth, again with the tongue, round circular motion all along the cheek area. And then the other, and then going the other way. And relax, and then taking the fingers, just lifting up towards the cheeks and just gliding out now. So we worked with inside the mouth, and we also worked on the outside as well of the skin along the cheek area. Now, where the nose is here, we have some indentation, so we can hold quite a lot of tension in this area. So I'm taking my fingers here, and we're just going to give that a little circular motion in one way, releasing any tight tension, making sure the shoulders nice and relaxed as well, and that you don't have any other tension within the face. So nice relaxed face, and then the other way. And if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with oxygen to the neck and the head area. And then just glide under the cheekbone towards the ears. So now taking the fingers, we're just going to do a little bit of crisscrossing all along the cheek area here. This is a light to medium touch. And then on the other side. And what we're doing here, we're really helping releasing any tight fascia within this area. And again, because we've placed and put some facial oil onto the skin, it's penetrating it in even better and deeper, and it's also protecting the skin from dragging and pulling as well. And then again, lifting up and just gliding it out. And now taking the fingers into a V shape, let's just glide along First of all, the jawline, up and above the jawline towards the ears, and then moving along the cheek area, and then ending up so your fingers are above the cheek and just under the cheek here. And on the other side, again we're smoothing out all those fine lines and wrinkles and improving elastin within the skin. Now I do have a Shopify store if you'd like to check that out with my favourite products, and particularly my Sunday Riley facial oils, which I absolutely love and I think you will love as well. So please check that out after if you're interested. So now let's do a little bit of cheek sculpting here to really lift up the lower part of the face. So I'm taking my fingers, and if you like at this point you can add a little bit of more facial oil if you're starting to feel a little bit dry. And we're going to take one finger and then just come under the cheekbone here and just really work that in. You can start off light and then work slightly deeper. You can end up with toxins and waste around this area, so we want to really get into that. And then gliding all the way towards the ears. Now, if you want to spend more time on a particular area, please feel free to pause the video, or if you want to fast forward if you think you don't need to do another part. But to be honest, I think by doing all of this in a combination really does make a difference, and you should see a difference in 5 days. And then just lifting up. Remembering to lift up the corners of the mouth so everything's lifted up, not dragging down. Now let's do our last facial exercise before we do some more massage and lymphatic drainage. So we're going to take our lips, we're going to place them so they're literally behind the teeth, and we're going to lift up from the cheekbone as if we're taking the corners of the mouth and lifting up and down without creating any fine lines and wrinkles on the eyes. If you like, you can place your hands under and above the eyes just to make sure that you're not creasing any other part of your face. So just taking the lips, just placing them behind the teeth, and relax. Let's do this again. Let's do this 8 times and then just hold for a couple of seconds. And release, and one last time. Again, hold if you feel you need to hold, if you find that you're creasing your wrinkles around the eyes, and you may want to look in the mirror whilst you're doing this exercise. And release, and then just very gently lifting up from the jawline along the cheekbones, relaxing the face now. And what this is a very light, delicate touch, and we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, and this will help with glowing skin. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so you just need a very, very light touch here. From the cheekbones, above the cheekbones, under the cheekbones, lower part of the face. And then with the thumbs placed under the jawline, fingers above, just gently gliding all along the jawline towards the ears. One of my favourite massage movements. And you can move your fingers up a bit more. Just lifting, coming up, and then just gliding along under the cheekbones. And again, because we've applied some great facial oil to the face, It's penetrating in even better and deeper and helping with improving that elastin within the skin. Now you can do this morning or evening, or you can do it both if you really feel free and have more time, and you will definitely find a difference. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take our hands here and we're just going to, in front of the ear, just very gently glide down the front. And we have plenty of lymph nodes in this area. What we want to do now is we want to take away some of the toxins and waste been moving from this area. So you don't want it being stagnant, if you like. So we need to move that down the front of the ear and then also behind the ear. And then on the other side, in front of the ear and behind the ear. Nice light motion. And then you want to take the fingers and then from behind the ears here, round circular motions all along the nape of the neck. Again, we have plenty of lymph nodes and we also hold a lot of tension in the neck area. So nice and relaxed. And if you find a little point which is a little bit tender, just give it another little extra massage out. And then when the fingers are touching, just gently glide down one side at a time with the flat of the hand, down the back of the ear, down that big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. Light feather light touch, moving everything along. And on the other side. And you may find you'll want to swallow as you can literally feel things moving. You tend to, especially when you're relaxing the face, getting rid of all those toxins and waste. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, our starting position, which I always like to finish off with, to really help reduce the toxins and waste within the face, to really help with glowing skin as well. And you just want to place your fingers onto just above the collarbone and just give those a few gentle presses. And this will release the toxins and waste into the body, ready for elimination if you like. So I will place another video here, and if you like to join me there, that would be great. And also comment down below, tell me where you're from, and if you really enjoyed this massage exercise for the cheek area, and if it's really helping, come back in 5 days time, and again, please comment down below. And if you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and also a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.